Today I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube channel. Hi, you're here on Just Maria D. I am indeed Maria D, and today I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube channel. I don't mean how to grow a YouTube channel. I don't mean how to be successful on YouTube. I mean, let's face it, what do I know? Like, I hit 200 the other day and now I've lost a couple and now I'm down under and I just don't know where I'm going with that. Not offering any advice on that because I know nothing, baby. What I am going to show you how to do is how to start your own YouTube channel. Now, the reason why I want to do this video is because I mentioned the other day during another tutorial video, I admin a Facebook group for home educators who are wanting to do YouTube, basically a support group really. I am hoping to do a series of tutorials that I can direct parents to and kids who come into the group that want to know how to set up a YouTube channel to a clear, concise, hopefully, because you know I can prattle, video that shows them exactly how to do that. So, on with the show. Technology, YouTube, internet, we either love it or we hate it, and sometimes we're a bit lukewarm about it. Sometimes we're led kicking and screaming by our kids. The first thing you need to do when starting a YouTube channel is make sure that you have a Gmail account. So if you don't, feel free to pause the video and go and create one. If you are thinking about creating a brand around your YouTube channel, it might be worth having a think about what you want to call yourself and having an email address centered around that. Once you have your email address, go to YouTube and sign in. Then click on Create a Studio and it will take you to the page where you get your channel started. Click on Create a Channel and then you need to choose the name that you want to use YouTube as. I always put in here the name that I'm going to title my channel because when people click on your page, they're going to see it. Once you're happy, all that's left to do is to hit that Create Channel button and voila! You have your own YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. It's looking pretty bare. The next thing to do is to get it looking like a proper YouTube channel. If you would like to know how to do that, please feel free to stay on and watch the rest of this video. If not, I bid you farewell. Click on Customize Channel and it brings you to the dashboard. First thing we're going to do is change our profile picture, so click on the top right hand corner. We're going to edit and it's going to bring you to your new Google Plus page where you can upload a photo of your choice. It'll take you to your file section on your computer and you can just click on it, click open, and it'll upload it for you. And waiting, and waiting, and waiting. And like magic, we have a profile picture. Mess around with it until it's centered in the way that you would like it to be. When you're happy, hit done. This will bring you back to your Google Plus profile, but we don't really need to be here at the moment, so flick back onto your YouTube tab. You can come and mess about with that later. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to add channel art. So you click on there, you click on the Add Channel Art button, and it takes you to this window here. And this is where we can upload a photo. But first we need to design something. If you're right to go with your channel art, I'll bid you farewell. But if you'd like to know how to do that in a relatively simple way, go to PhotoJet, hit Create Design. There are many programs that you can use to do this. This just happens to be a free one. It'll get you started until you figure something else out. Click on YouTube Channel Art and that'll bring you to this window here. Once here, you can have a mess around with some of the templates that PhotoJet have to offer, or you can create something yourself on this blank canvas. Today I'm going to choose a ready-made template because it'll be easy and quick. Any templates you see that have the crown in the top right hand corner are for those people who have paid to upgrade their PhotoJet account. For me, I tend to just stick with the free things for now. Select whatever template you want to use. To change the font, just click into it and find one that you're happy with. You can also change the color. Think about putting your channel name front and center on your design, sticking to that middle strip so that your name can be clearly seen across many different devices, including mobile, PC and television. Other things to think about are perhaps what your channel is about or how many times a week you're going to upload and what days that will be. No doubt you'd have already seen your favourite YouTubers and how they set up their channel and have got some really great ideas about how to go forward. I haven't quite decided whether I'm going to use this channel or just have it as a dummy channel where I can do tutorials from. It would be good to work that out. Advice that people give you when you're starting out on YouTube is to find your niche, at least to begin with. It's also good to know your target audience and who it is that you think you'd really like to pitch your channel to. What kind of channel do you want to be? What kind of content do you want to make? Who do you want to be on YouTube? Now, if you notice, I've just deleted the background because I'm going to add another one in. But for now, I'm just going to mess around with the colour behind the writing here. Kind of looking for the right shade of YouTube red. I'm not having much luck. I like to colour theme my channels. I like to pick a colour scheme that I stick with for a little while. You can do whatever you like, whatever works for you. We're going to add in a background, hit add photo, pick the picture that you want to add in, drag it over to the background and position it to exactly where you want it, pulling on the sides to make it wider and higher. When that's done, click on property, then go down to where it says backward and you can click on that and move it individually, or click on the one to the right of it and do it all at once. Make any final changes you want to before we're going to hit save and download it to our computer. Once we've got that saved, we're going to head back over to YouTube and we're going to upload it onto our channel. Click on add channel art and then select where you want your photo to come from and click on the picture that you want to upload onto your channel. Once it has uploaded, you can mess about with the adjust crop to make sure that it looks right on desktop, TV and mobile devices. When you're happy, hit select and it will appear on your channel. If you're happy with how it looks, click on my channel up on the top left hand side and this will take you to your newly updated, newly pimped channel. If you're happy with the way it looks, go to the about section and click on channel description and type in there what your channel is about. Maybe a little bit about yourself, maybe a little bit about what you want to achieve. How much you say and what you say is totally up to you. When you're happy, knowing that you don't have to do it all now, you can come back to it later, hit the done button and it'll take you back to your channel. It's up to you whether you want to add an email for business inquiries and whether you want to say where in the world you are. This is where you add your other social media. For instance, Twitter, a Facebook page that corresponds to your YouTube, Instagram, or even a blog. Once you've copied your URL, paste it in and hit done for it to appear. You've recorded your first video and it's time to upload. Click on your icon, go down to Creator Studios. This dashboard will fill up in time, but for now to upload, click on the arrow, click upload. It'll take you to the window and you can choose from your PC the videos that you want to upload. There are a couple of different options. You can make it public, you can make it unlisted that somebody needs a link for, you can make a private video, or you can make a scheduled video so you have choice as to when it goes live. This is particularly helpful if you are trying to target an audience in a different time zone to your own. We'll leave it there for today. In the description, I'll have the times that you can scroll to on the video if you want to go back and revisit a particular section at any point. I've been Maria, you've been awesome, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Bye for now.